What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we're going to be talking about search-based YouTube automation and how you can start earning money online, AI, and ChatGPT. Now, if you've never made money online before, don't worry, you're in the right place. I'm going to share with you everything you need to get started today. And I'm also going to be giving away a bunch of free stuff. I'm going to be giving you a free checklist that I've been using daily, all of this stuff free today. So I hope you're excited, and if you are excited, let me know. Do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, helps me out a lot. So let's not waste any time, and let's dive in exactly to what search-based YouTube automation is and how this actually works. So if you want to get this checklist that has a bunch of free AI tools, free course, emails, all this different stuff, just head over to digitalplaybook.com, put in your information, and you will get sent this checklist. But let's go over to YouTube. So right here, this is when I go to youtube.com, you see all these videos. Now, for the most part, these videos right here are all things I have like clicked on or watched in the last couple of days. I watched a video by JT yesterday. I watched a clip of this earlier this morning. I listened to this type of music, and all this is called like recommended. What search based is when you go up here and someone actually types in and enters it, this is what would be considered searched. How to make money online 22 hours ago. So this is ranking number 1. And if you see over here, the tool that I use is called vidIQ. So if you go over here to the tool, click on vidIQ, you'll be able to get started for free. And what this tool basically does is it is centered around YouTube to help you boost your views, which helps you grow your following. So once we get signed in, we have things like optimize. This is where you can create better titles, thumbnails, gives you different recommendations. You can create thumbnails, which is really cool. Let's do, so what I do is I'll mess around with this and just gives me ideas, but I'll go over to Canva and actually make mine. But really what I use this tool for is finding outlier videos and then using their keyword research tool to help me find different titles. And this right here is actually Rise of the Machines. Actually a pretty good. I'm going to download that. That's sick. That's pretty sick too. So first, let's talk about finding a keyword. So I'm obviously, talk about like ChatGPT and in the AI niche, but let's say you're in the like content creator niche, or like you want to talk about so how to grow on YouTube. Let's say this is like a keyword that you want to rank for. If you see here, if you want to rank for this keyword, even though it has a high search volume, competition is super high. What we want is search volume that is medium to high, and then competition like low, very low, or around medium. So let's go over here and find related keywords. What I'm looking at is the competition and then the keyword. The first is the competition. So I'm just scrolling medium, okay, vidIQ. So that means if I was making a video, I would want this keyword in the title. So let's say I don't want to be talking about vidIQ. Let's keep scrolling. Very low, Nate Black YouTube creator. So even though that's very low, that's not really a keyword that I want to be ranking for. Let's keep going, keep scrolling. So not really giving too many ideas. So when something like this happens, I just like to, okay, this is a good one. We got low, small channel not growing. All right, so this would be a really good keyword. Search volume is 1,000, but low competition. So in this case, what I would do is copy this keyword, and then let's go over to YouTube and search it. So what we're going to look at is we want to open up these top videos in another tab. And what this is going to allow us to do is see their views per hour. And right here, we can see this one already has 35. But let's open these up and it'll give us So over here, views per hour, that's 30. The outlier is it's an outperforming compared to the other videos on our channel. So this video was uploaded 7 months ago and it's still getting 30 views per hour, which is pretty good, in my opinion, especially if you're someone that's just starting out or a smaller YouTube creator. Let's go over to this. So that's a really big outlier, but it's not getting any views anymore. This was uploaded 3 years ago, so that kind of makes sense, but this was also ranking number 2. So this was uploaded a month ago, 34. So right away, if I'm trying to make content, I'm going to make a video about this keyword. I would add that to my list. Let's try to find another example. Let's go with another keyword. So let's just look up this one real quick. Small channel for YouTube not growing. No, so let's go back to the example of what I was saying. So for this one, small channel not growing, what you would want to do is copy this keyword and then go over to create and then put this in. And what this is going to do is give you different titles. So why your small channel isn't growing, the truth. So let's just go with, let's edit this one. No, pick this one and hit continue. What I want to say is though, is that initial keyword, I forget the exact words. Oh, this is actually a good YouTube title. Okay. So you don't want to stick with the title that they give you. You want to make sure that you put that exact keyword that had low search volume in the title. So let's go to edit blueprint. All right. So you have the blueprint. Now let's go back over here because I forgot to do a step. What I want to do is you can do this once you start uploading. But so the title is why your small channel not growing. So this would actually be a really good title because it has the exact keywords in the exact same place. These would also be your tags. Also really good thumbnails and gives you instructions. Also too, this is connected to my YouTube channel. So once you connect your YouTube channel, it's going to give you some like keyword opportunities and search terms based on your results. Another good thing that I haven't mentioned is going down to competitors, and it just shows you what your competitors are doing as far as, their total views and what everything looks like. So last thing I want to talk about is the outliers tab. And this is how you're able to discover videos that are still working and can work. So I keep all these the same. And then what I do is change this to last 3 months. And then let's go with that keyword that we were just using, small channel not growing. Hit apply. And then it gives you some videos. So 7 steps to make money with a small channel. And this one has, no. What you want to do is make sure the subscribers are, I go about 26K. Now here we go. So this video this person has 5.6 subscribers and this was uploaded 18 days ago and it has 19K views. So this would be a good video to model about, all right, what was his hook? What did he talk about? Let's kind of scroll through. YouTube channel hack. ASMR. 11K. Your 3-minute short's not working. Don't panic. 17K. So you can see that this keyword and these is getting views. So let's just go to this video right here. So we can open in YouTube to see a little bit more. I'll go back to that in a second, but let's go to give me an idea. So what this is doing is just giving you different ideas as far as keywords. Once you hit generate, it takes you into a different tab that we were just in to make a blueprint. So you can see how vidIQ can help you out a lot. If you see this channel right here, started getting crazy engagement once it got the 3 days, but then started leveling out. And if you think about it, this video was about, his channel is not anything about like how to like grow your channel or YouTube channel in general. So if you incorporated some tags and some keywords in the description, you could definitely rank for this video. So I hope this video was helpful. I just wanted to put something together real quick about how I'm finding different keywords and finding different videos to kind of not copy, but replicate what I'm doing, because you want to find what works and then do what works. There's no point in trying to reinvent the wheel, and using vidIQ has helped me a ton. Even though I am a smaller channel, I've been able to see good results and have to give kudos to vidIQ. Like I said, if you want to get the link and you want to get this digital playbook, just go to digitalplaybook.com. You'll get sent this, and it gives you free course, emails, Instagram Reels, and a bunch of really cool stuff. That's all for today. Happy money making AI pros, and I will see you in the next video.